Hi, can you hear me? Hello?
Professor,
Yes.
I had spoke to you earlier today
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
about some of the questions on the is it the quiz? On the quiz. Some of the questions I was unable
Go ahead,
question
ask the question. I remember. Go ahead.
number 13, which says draw the structure of the nucleotide with adenine. Number 13.
Right. So look at the
Okay, go ahead.
so look on the slides as well as look on the in the book. But if you look at the slides, you'll find
Have
it.
pictures on there.
Yeah.
Okay, and number 16, number 16.
What's
What is
that?
it? Number 16. You had told me today, but I didn't have a pen.
Can you speak loudly, please?
16, number 16.
Yeah, I don't have that assignment in front of me, but you can tell me.
What is the different type of atoms present in an amino acid, glucose and nucleotide?
Okay. So let's say I'm sharing my screen. So what you need to do here, you look into amino acids. I'll give you one example just here to figure out, right?
Okay.
So an amino acid has a central carbon atom, and this carbon atom is connected to four things. One, two, it's not perfect. I'm just trying to draw. 2, 3, and 4, right? So this is a central atom of an amino acid. So one of the thing that is attached to is NH2. Now this is a subscript, but I'm not able to do here, okay?
Okay.
And then on the other hand, it is joined to carboxylic group, COOH. So these O's are big O's. Then hydrogen here, this one, okay? And the last one is, this is as R group.
What is the R for?
I'll come. So 90% of the amino acids, they have this backbone as their structure, 90%, okay? But I mentioned to you that there are 20 different kinds of amino acids, right? So in other words, there are 26 English alphabets, right? You hear me? So likewise, there are 20 amino acids, 20 different. And these 20 amino acids, they differ in R group. R group is different.
Okay.
Rest of these things are different, same in all the 20, okay? So this H, NH2, and COOH, they are present in every amino acid, every 20 amino acids. So
Okay,
what
but
was
the
the
R
question?
is different.
It's different in 20, they differ. So, so what are the atoms here? You can see the atoms here are carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen. So that's the question. So the answer is, in an amino acid, these atoms are present. These atoms, they undergo chemical bonding to make up an amino acid. So
Okay.
likewise, I gave you various options, right? What was the question? Nucleotide and glucose. So you need to draw this chemical structure and figure out what different atoms they come into chemical bonding, and they form a particular molecule. So what is a molecule? When two atoms, they enter into chemical arrangement. Two atoms, two same or different, doesn't matter. When
Or
two,
equal. Okay.
they become molecule. And this molecule could be a large molecule like amino acid, glucose, nucleotide. So all I'm asking you in that question, what are those atoms?
Okay. I
Got you?
understand. See.
Okay, anybody else? I saw one more student. I think she left.
Oh.
Any other question?
Why I'm just having a difficult time making the video, which is what,
No,
90?
try. This is, see, Gail, this is a learning process. I am also learning. I was never ready for this. And I'm not joking. I'm learning each day how to do better because, I mean, I'm a PhD. I was never educated in online teaching. And in my time there was I didn't have an access to cell phone, computers, or so we are from a different we so if we can learn, right, and I'm learning, right, as you see, I'm learning honestly. So if I can do it, you can do it. I was never, do you think I was trained as an online teacher? No way. I was a PhD. I'm a researcher. I'm a teacher who likes to teach on campus. I like to be on campus. So trust me, I'm learning every day. So you should also have that kind of to learn. Just try. Just try. It's fun. Trust me. The more you scare of this online computer, the more you get lazy, complacent. But the more you try it, because it's electronic system. Once you save a file, it will never be lost. That's what I mean. Just keep trying. Do you think I knew Zoom from day one? No, I learned it in March. And I tried during March, I tried Blackboard, and Blackboard was not working because it has limited capacity. Whole CUNY was using. So I purchased this package from Zoom because my another class in spring semester, there were 60 presentation. That's a professional development class. 60 presentation. I was very worried for every student. So I bought this package and I learned it quite fast because you don't lose anything. You do something, you save. You do something, you save. You go back, you edit. You go back, you change and save. You understand what I mean? It's not like you're carrying a notebook and there is a heavy rain and your pages they get wet and it's gone, all written. No, it's computer. Feel confident about yourself. That's and that's very important because if you train yourself, you're good for a long time. And I mean, I don't want to say that, but students are doing brilliant job. I can't tell you. I don't want to name anyone, but so far people who have uploaded their videos, cool, much better than what I did.
Okay. You are the one who's seeing the video or other students?
Second,
The one who is viewing the videos or we are all viewing each other's video?
I can't hear you, Gail. I'm sorry. Your voice is not clear. Just
Are you the
speak here
only
loudly.
okay, are you the only one who is viewing the videos or are we all viewing each other's videos?
No, you just right now, you just upload and do your part.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Just
you
go to
will
that,
get mine tomorrow.
hopefully, and don't worry if you don't, keep
No, you
trying.
get it because I am not gonna
Again,
lose any points. I'm not about to lose any points.
yeah,
I'll make sure
and
it's
trust
done.
me, I have, Gail, I have lowered the percentages on quizzes, midterm and finals, and I have made it more work driven. So you submit work on time and I'm giving reasonable time. So you'll be good. I don't see any problem.
Okay, thank you so much.
How is it going? It's a good start for the class. What do you think?
I think it's good and it's going at a good pace also.
Okay. Yeah. This week is a little bit relaxed, but we'll catch up from next week.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Take care. Who is next?
Oh, hey, it's Aisha.
Yeah. Hi, Aisha.
Hi. One question. Uploading the assignment. How am I doing that?
So, so you go to the content page and open assignment chapter 1. And it should say there, browse your computer, locate where your files are there,
Okay,
open
yeah,
them.
I did all of that. I know that's usually how it's done, but it's not showing me where to say like browse the computer to get the file.
Okay, and what if I show you?
Okay, yeah, you can.
Okay, so I'm going to the Blackboard. So this is the folder, assignment chapter 1, right?
Mhm.
And you click this and you see here, browse computer, right? And you submit here, right? Students have already done it. So let me show you if I can see.
Okay.
Wait a second. Yeah, so see, these students, they started to, submit their assignments. You see here?
Okay, yeah, I see.
Yeah, so yeah. 1, 2, 3, you see that? Yeah, so they are beginning to do it. So it's straightforward. And Blackboard has short videos on YouTube, not big videos, not a boring one. And they'll just tell you how to do it. So if you get stuck, because my computer is different. It's each year when a new computer comes out into the public domain, they are literally different. So what I have, you might not have. So Dell, Lenovo, ThinkPad, Acer, Mac, different generations of Mac, so each one of is little different from each other. So that's one of the disadvantage of online system, because we are not sitting in one room, we're not using same system. So it is sort of a learning process also on yourself. The Blackboard is very reliable thing. It's just, I'm not using Collaborate because sometimes if the students do presentation, it crashes. So Zoom, because we have 45 students, hopefully we'll have 45 presentations. So Blackboard is not efficient. Zoom is very classy in terms of presentation and meetings. So did I show you?
Yes, thank you.
Welcome. So, yeah. Asha, you're done?
Oh, wait, one more thing, right? I
Yeah.
have a question about the question 13 on the assignment.
Yeah. Could you read out the question?
It stated, draw the structure of a nucleotide with adenine as a neutrogenous base. Now, wasn't sure what to do there.
So see here, I was teaching a student. Can you look at the whiteboard?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
So it's very similar. So this is a structure of amino acid, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to draw this way, right? But let me take you to Google. So let me take you to 1 second. What is the structure? What was the question?
Draw the structure of a nucleotide with adenine as neutrogenous base.
Okay, so see here, you'll get plenty. Can you see
Yeah, I'm seeing.
the image, Google images here?
Yeah.
There are plenty of them. You see, you just have to pick one.
So it's basically
Yeah,
this.
yeah, chemical structure.
Okay.
Basically this.
Okay. Cool. I think that's all. Oh no, one more question. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Question 15 asks why there are no building blocks for lipids like protein, carbohydrates, and nucleic acid.
Yeah, so most of the books will say that lipids or fats, they have building blocks as fatty acid and triglycerol or glycerides, and they're right. But if you look at so let's say proteins, they are made up of amino acid, 20 amino acids. All these 20 amino acids, they share this scaffold. It is same. This kind of similarity, uniformity is not seen in lipids. Lipid, they're a big family. For example, saturated fat, like butter, or animal fat, non-saturated fat, like in plants. Then you have cholesterol, then you have steroids, then you have prostaglandins, then lipoproteins, so very complex. So that's why I tell students that in reality, there is no uniform theme in lipids as like protein or, so you saw nucleotide, right? So
Mm-hmm.
all the nucleotides will be same except ATGC or AUGC in RNA. So they maintain 90% of the chemical structure. Rest is 10% or 5% is different, but lipid doesn't have that. So that's why.
Okay. Thank you. I think
Anything
that's
else?
no, that's all. Thanks.
Welcome.
Have a good evening.
You too. Take care.